YouTube, back again with another video. Hope you watched my last one. That was my 4th of July weekend. Now today we're gonna wash the Accord. I have the Accord all filthy. Gotta wash that. Then I gotta wash the truck. The truck's gonna need work. Maybe go bike riding today. I do have a few appointments. If you guys didn't know, I'm a barber out here in Parker, California. So yeah, this is what we do today. I'll take you guys along with me, and yeah, let's keep this going. Let's go. Here's the Accord. Looking very grimy, very grimy. Needs a wash. The truck's a whole different story. I don't know. So I'm supposed to get this vinyl wrap. I'm not digging this blue. Got the HD front end. Sitting pretty low. I need to probably pick it up. I'm over it. The roof needs some vinyl wrap. So I got this remote start, right? The 2018 to 2021 sports don't come with a remote start. So I got this guy on Facebook, and I've seen this on YouTube, so I don't know if there's a lot of videos on this, but you actually can get this programmed. Yeah, it works. Comes in handy. Let's get this car wash going. I got my pressure washer set up. Got the foam cannon. I usually do 2 buckets, but today it's just 100 degrees outside. Don't want to do all that. Car is really filthy. So is the truck. I'm gonna try to knock these both out. And yeah, see how this goes. I'll go put you guys on the time lapse. Here we are, right here at the trail with the primo. Let's get it. Let's see how we do. bunny hop. Yep, I need a new strap. Yo, just a rock. Hell no. I think the little one won't be that bad. It's just kind of a long straight up.